Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Search Console for indexing and insights, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Google Search Console, open your web browser and go to search.google.com/search-console. Sign in with your Google account that you want to associate with your website. Once signed in, click on the Start Now button to begin the setup process. You will need to add your website property by entering your site's URL in the provided field. Choose the appropriate property type between domain and URL prefix. If you select domain, input your root domain without www or http. For URL prefix, include the full URL, including https:// or http://. After entering your URL, click on the Continue button. Next, verify your ownership of the website. You will see multiple verification methods. The easiest option is to use the HTML file upload method or the meta tag method. For the HTML file upload method, download the verification file to your computer. Then, upload this file to the root directory of your website via your hosting service. Once uploaded, click the Verify button in Google Search Console. If you chose the meta tag method, copy the provided, then, paste this tag into the head section of your website's homepage HTML. After adding the meta tag, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. Successful verification will provide you access to the Search Console dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find various tools and reports. To check indexing status, navigate to the Coverage section on the left panel. Here, you can view indexed pages and any issues related to crawling. For insights on how users find your site, visit the Performance section. This shows you data on search queries, clicks, and impressions. To submit a sitemap, go to the Sitemaps section. Enter the URL of your sitemap and click Submit. This helps Google crawl your site more efficiently. Periodically check the Search Console for messages regarding any issues Google may encounter with your site. Keep an eye on the Mobile Usability Report to ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Explore these features to enhance your website's visibility and performance in search results. Regularly updating and maintaining your Google Search Console account is crucial for ongoing SEO success. Utilize the insights gained to make informed decisions about your website's content and structure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.